I scored 91 percentile in my JEE Mains 2024. But as my lucky charm was not with me, I was disheartened. Again, feel like I'm a loser. There's nothing available for me. I was not ready for any government or any private colleges. But life has its own plans. Hi, I am Mirai. My name is Maria Roda and I'm currently enrolled in 2025-2029 batch at Mirai School of Technology. And if I didn't dare to dream, maybe today I'm not here. So let's begin with the journey, how I came to Mirai School of Technology, what all phases I've been going through. So let's get back into 2023 when my class 12 got completed. I had a decent score but couldn't make it into JEE. I decided to take a drop. Normally a student take 1 year drop, but I had another story. I take 2 year drop. Now you must be thinking, why 2 years gap? What was I doing? Where was I? I planned for JEE. As being from the science background, I also want to pursue engineering. That too from the top college. I took drop, take online courses, but as a part of concern for my time, for my year, my parents asked to take admission somewhere to learn something extraordinary or something just for your use or just for something to upgrade or upskill yourself. So I took admission in Chandigarh for the graphics and video editing course. I learned there, I enjoyed it. This phase continues from 2023 to 2024 until I finally attempt JEE. And guess what? I scored 91 percentile in my JEE Mains 2024. But as my lucky charm was not with me, I couldn't able to meet the eligibility criteria for the general category. I was disheartened. Again, feel like I'm a loser. There's nothing available for me. And becoming an engineer was like, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब ये सपना शायद मेरा कभी पूरा ही नहीं होगा. मैंने बहुत सारे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम दिए, कुछ प्राइवेट, कुछ गवर्नमेंट, बट मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था क्योंकि करिकुलम जिसका भी देखो इतना पुराना. तो उन कॉलेजेस का जो करिकुलम था मुझे नहीं पसंद आया. बट नए कॉलेजेस देखे, उनका एंट्रेंस दिया, मैंने समझा, देखा. बट एक चीज़ जो स्ट्राइक हुई और जो मैं नहीं कर सकती थी, दैट वाज द बजट. बजट वाज टू हाई, मतलब आउट ऑफ बजट. नोवेयर मेरा पॉसिबल ही नहीं था कि मैं कहीं लूँ. दैट टाइम वाज आई वाज लाइक, मैं बिल्कुल टूट गई कि इतना टाइम सफरिंग करा, 1 साल 1.5 साल, आईटी भी नहीं मिला और कॉलेज भी नहीं जा पा रही क्योंकि अब कोई और कॉलेज जाने का मन नहीं था. आई लेफ्ट इट. मैंने घर पे बोला मुझे कॉलेज ही नहीं जाना. एंड द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे समथिंग, कहते ना, मिरेकल टाइप ऑफ थिंग हैपन टू मी. तो आई फाइंड IIT Mandi course. It was recently launched in 2024. It was data science and machine learning course. I accidentally filled the application form with zero hopes कि मेरा कुछ होगा. But God was with me. अब IIT में एडमिशन मिल गया, खुश हो गई. अब 1 साल मैंने सोचा अब तो यही करूँगी. After this, I got an amazing opportunity to be a part of IIT Bombay as a campus ambassador intern. It was a milestone for me. And after this, now it comes to 2025 again. Now my parents asked, what are you doing now? I have courses, maybe I get some job, but of course, I was lagging behind with the graduation degree from everywhere. But that dream of doing an engineering from the top college still remains in my mind. And then I came to know about Mirai School of Technology, and of course. So when I came to know about Mirai, I look at their curriculum, well designed, industry ready curriculum, updated, like the things the industry is asking for. An engineer must be not just an engineer, it must be problem solver, a creative thinker, and that all I found here. I had some doubts, of course. It's a new age college, no records, no placement history. How could I trust somebody like ever? And every process was online, everything was online. How could I trust? But when I saw some shots on the YouTube or Instagram for the Mirai School of Technology, I saw Arpit sir, Varun sir, Karthik sir, I gained confidence a little bit, but still have doubts in my mind. But on the day of orientation, when they promise for bringing the best in us, when they promise to deliver the best of us, and when I personally interacted with Varun sir, Karthik sir, Arpit sir, my all doubts were clear, crystal clear, and I feel like शायद 2 साल का जो सब्र था वो इसीलिए था कि मिराई स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी मेरे लिए बन रहा था. नाउ टुडे एज अ पार्ट ऑफ मिराई, आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड आफ्टर द 4 years as an irreplaceable AI engineer in the upcoming technology era to build something that creative, that extraordinary, that no one could ever replace me, and something so that I could build my own brand one day. And all hopes with Mirai and all my struggles. Let's do it together.